Now, if you've heard about the purple notes and gold notes and so forth and want to replicate it, there are a few things you need to understand. And before we jump into that though, please hit that subscribe button, and if the video helps you out, smash the like button. So, the first and most important thing you need to know is these colors are all seasonal, or a better description would be timed. Gold colors no longer work as they were tied to the Olympics, and unfortunately, purple no longer works as it was linked to the new year. So, if you are already on the latest version, because that's what everyone's going to tell you to do, update, and it's not working for you, that is the actual reason. For instance, Sabrina Carpenter would usually give you, I believe it was a pink hue. As you can see, it now does absolutely nothing. However, this celebratory confetti cannon, I don't even know what this is, will always give you a confetti explosion. So your best bet is just to follow Instagram and keep up to date with the latest trends and their posts to know which notes are going to be in this season. Sorry for the bad news, but I hope it helped you out anyways, and thanks for watching.